Good day, Miss Biori. My name is Kimberly Saison from BSMA1, and I am here to present my assignment for Chapter 8, which is selling. First question is, what is selling and what is the importance of selling? Basically, selling is simply helping people buy what they want or what they need. It means figuring out what is someone is looking for, showing them how a product or a service can help them, and making it easier for them to get it. So basically, selling is important because it helps people find and get what they want or what they need, and it makes buying easy. And to answer the question number 2, when formulating a selling price, it is cost plus markup. It is equals to selling price. And when setting up a selling price, it is important to consider the cost, like the materials being used, the cost of it, and the labor, the utilities, and especially the tax. It is also important to consider the market competitors' price. Third is, what is markup and what is markdown, and when to mark down. Markup is when adding a price to the cost of the product to cover expense, and markdown is lowering the selling price of a product from its original price. And when to mark down, it is we mark down when the product is not selling fast enough, like seasonal goods. Fourth is give examples for markdown based on cost, selling price, and I forget that question, but to answer the number 4 is here are the problems and the solution and the formula. First problem, which is based on cost. A shirt costs 200 peso and the seller makes mark up by 50% based on cost. So the formula that we will be utilizing is markup is equals to percent of markup on cost times cost, and our cost is 50%. We convert it into a decimal, which is 0.50, and our cost is 200. So let's multiply the 50 times 200, and it is equal to 100. Then our markup based on cost is 100. Second is a shirt has a selling price of 150. The markup is 20% based on selling price. So our formula that we will be utilizing is markup equals to percent of markup on selling price times selling price. So our markup percent markup on selling price is 20, so we convert it into a decimal, which is 0.020, and times to the selling price, which is the 150. 0.20 times 150 is equals to 30. So our markup based on selling price is 30. And now let's move forward to the markup that has a profit. A bag has a total cost of 200 pesos. Original price is 350. it is marked down by 20%. So before we proceed to the process of getting the profit, which is new selling price minus total cost, since we don't have a new selling price yet, we will solve for it. So our formula in let's first solve the markdown. 0.20 times 350 is equals to 70. So now let's compute the new selling price, which is the selling price minus the markdown. 350 minus 70 is equals to 280, and 280 is now our new selling price. And let's move forward to solve the profit, which is the formula we will be using is new selling price minus the total cost. So 280 minus 200 is equals to 80. So our profit is 80. And the fourth problem is a mug has a cost of 300, then the original price is 350. It is marked down by 20%. Then let's same what we did earlier. Let's first solve the markdown, which is 0.20 times 350 is equal to 70. And next is the selling price, which is 350 minus 70 is equals to 280. And the formula for getting the loss is loss is equals to total cost minus new selling price. And our total cost is 300 and our selling price is 280. So 300 minus 280 is equals to 20. So our loss in this problem is 20 pesos. Last problem is a bag has a variable cost of 290 and a fixed cost of 10. The original price is 350 and it is marked down by 20%. Let's first again solve the markdown, which is 0.20 times 350 is equals to 70. And to solve the selling price, let's minus the original price to the markdown, which is 350 minus 70 is 280. And to solve the absolute loss, we have the formula of absolute loss is equals to variable cost minus new selling price. So we have the variable cost of 290 and a selling price of 280. So 990 minus 280 is equals to 10. 10 is our absolute loss.